Central? It's David with your weekly news. Today is Monday, March 15th. Nice. This week's announcements are, we as ETV, we need more money to buy new things and possibly break the old ones. So we have a fundraiser, and if you would like to know more, please see Miss Cipriano in the guidance to purchase your tickets. Also, the streamers also need your help to raise money to buy new uniforms for next year. They are currently having a clothing sale that is a combination of streamer and Eagle gear. So click the link down below to get all your essentials. And that's all for this week, Central. Thank you, and have a dignified day.
Good morning, Central. It's Ryan here with your senior birthdays. This week we have Olivia Nooner, Taba Asgar, Mohammed Talal, Minahil Kwatsi, Rafia Kwatsi, Omolara Diaulu, Mesa Kapadia, Arsal Assad, Elijah O'Brady. Happy birthday, guys. You're rolling.
Good morning, Central. The word of the week is pivot, noun, meaning a shaft or pin on which something turns. During the recital, the ballerinas pivot on their tiptoes simultaneously to the speed of the music.
Hey Central, you know times have been tough, so we have been adding a new segment from the Student Council called Miracle of the Morning. Let's cut to it.
So on this meaningful morn, we mourn and we mend like lights. We can't be broken even when we bend.
Well, we had 2 weeks off of school, which was crazy exciting. Yay, no more school. And then 2 weeks turned into a month, which dove into our summer, and all the plans I had with friends were canceled. And then it was scrolling through Instagram for an hour and finding out it's the next morning. It was just my routines were off. Everything was off. I didn't know what to do. I was upset. I wanted to do something. I wanted to change things. It was just so upsetting. Everything was canceled. I don't know, like, why am I here? What am I doing? Is school gonna be like this? My senior year going to be ruined too, along with my summer? I don't know. It was just so crazy to think about it at first. I mean, it's sort of better now, but in the beginning, things were really rough. So I applied to this group called Banking on a Cure, which was a fundraising group for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. It was a bunch of students that worked together to send out emails to restaurants, companies, teachers, friends, family, just to raise some money to help blood cancer research. I applied to join their team and I was accepted, and over the summer it was just something I started to do. I felt like I was part of my community, and even like through all the depression and like overwhelmingness of it all, I knew that I was taking that step, like bringing all of us one step closer to the solution. We don't know how long this will last, but I knew I was doing something to get closer to how things were before. And I actually couldn't have done it without the support here of some of my teachers at Central, because it was kind of weird going around asking people for money. But I started out here with some of my teachers at Central. So thank you, Miss Ayuso, Miss Batista, Miss O'Mara, and Mr. Miller, who donated and encouraged me to keep going.
Hey, can I copy your homework?
Sure, just make it look different so that it doesn't look like you just copied it.
Sure thing.
Today's the day we're gonna learn about the cell. If I teach it okay, you'll know it very well. So listen up, 6th graders, no room left for haters. Let's talk about the building blocks of life, cells that make us.
Cells, they're made of organelles. Try to pull it fast when the cytoplasm gels. The nucleus takes over, controlling everything. The party don't stop till the membrane box is seen. Inside the vacuole, we can float around for hours, running around with chloroplasts, loving sunlight showers. Cells, they're made of organelles.
First things first, there's 2 different types. Animal and plant cells that make up all life. The little things that make up microscopic cells. The main structures, yeah, we call them organelles. Now let's break it down and get some information. How do cells work? It's a crazy combination.
Cells, they're made of organelles. Try to pull it fast when the cytoplasm gels. The nucleus takes over, controlling everything. The party don't stop till the membrane box is seen. Inside the vacuole, we can float around for hours, running around with chloroplasts, loving sunlight showers. Cells, they're made of organelles.